Yo, so I got my dual chamber tumbling composter from Amazon. I ordered this yesterday and lo and behold today it showed up. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of it and maybe I'll show you guys how I put it together. Hopefully it ain't too hard. From what I read, a lot of the people reviews are saying it should take about an hour, if that. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut this open. I'm not sure what tools it's gonna take, but I got just a knife and a screwdriver. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what's all in here. Alright. So, yep, this is what it's gonna look like, hopefully. And yeah, so this is going to be incorporating this with my other channel, my Vic Cook channel, to where I'll be starting my garden or farm, and I'm going to be making my own enriched soil with nutrients. So composting is the way to go, and also it reduces your carbon footprinting and makes life healthier and blah blah blah. So first thing I noticed is we got a lot of these panels. Alright, so it doesn't look like it's too many pieces. Well, it looks like it's not too many complicated pieces so far, but so this says frame. So we'll put this to the side for now. So that's the frame. This is probably the divider piece. And these are the two end pieces here. And then these are all the panels that we're going to have to work with. We're going to have to put those together some kind of way. And then this is the door. And one thing I do like about this is that it's got the plus side and the time side. So this will be the side where we add stuff to. And then this will be the side where we just kind of leave alone and let it compost or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pause the video and set up a little bit better, and I won't drag you guys through the painful process of me reading this instructions. We'll go ahead and speed that up. All right, let's get it. Alright, so this is the finished product. I got all of the panels in there. When I first started off, it really did seem like it was really flimsy, but the more panels you put, the more screws you put in there, it feels very sturdy. It spins very nicely, so this will help me when I mix it up. So it doesn't really rock side by side too much, but it'll slide, but the frame is very sturdy. And I went ahead and I went and retightened all the screws. So this is the opening right here where everything will go, and pretty much it just slides on there. So if you're worried about like any other animals trying to get into this, they probably won't be able to, because you gotta slide it out through this way. And I make sure the divider's nice and in the middle, and so I got two separate compartments. So pretty much what I can do is this one's time, and this one's to add it in. So what I'll do is I'm gonna go out there in a little bit. I'm gonna add some stuff to both sides to it. I don't think I have enough to fill everything, to fill this side yet. So for now, I'll just add some stuff to both, and then I'll primarily focus on this side. And then once this gets full, then I'll just close it, and then I'll just continue to only add stuff to this side. So this would be like maybe every week or so I clean out the fridge, whatever that's whatever veggies or fruits is gonna go bad, I'll throw that in there. When I do my meal preps, any excess trimmings, that'll go in here, obviously. I would throw some grass clippings in here, but I treated my grass with some pesticides, so I won't be able to use that grass. But I do got some leaves that I caught, that I swept up earlier this year that's still in the bag, so I'm going to definitely get to that. But yeah, this is the final product. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it outside in a minute. Alright, so this is the final, I'm just gonna place it here in the backyard. And in the future, I think I'm gonna start my raised bed somewhere over here-ish. I'll probably move that around later if needed. Right now, I got my farm, my mini farm going right here. We got a couple crops. We got a couple crops and peppers. Oh, actually, this one looks like it's slightly turning yellow, because that's supposed to be a yellow pepper. So yeah, we're just gonna keep maintaining. This is supposed to be my ghost pepper. I don't see no buds yet, but the plant definitely grew a lot since last time. But anyway, back to the compost. So got the compost over here, and I'm gonna start off by filling it with some dirt and some leaves. And then I do got some kitchen scraps I might throw in there, but we'll try to fill at least this side up for now. And we'll see what we happen. I'll probably put stuff in both, and then I'll focus on filling up one side, then I'll shut it, then I'll add some other stuff later. But as you can see, this is how it is. It spins nicely. That's actually kind of fun to do. Very sturdy. I don't think it's going anywhere. Yeah, it's not too big, it's not taking up, but I think this would be a nice size for the size of farm I'm gonna start. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to Vic Talk, and till next time.